Now let us study another term called magnification. Magnification means the ratio between height of the image and height of object. If the height of the image is h dash, height of the object is h, magnification is height of the image by height of the object h dash by h. Magnification 2 means the image is twice that of the object. Magnification half means it's a diminished image, small in size, half that of the size of the object. Magnification 4 means it's a fourfold magnified image. Its size is 4 times that of the object. So it gives you a relation between the size of the image and size of the object. Magnification, ratio between height of the image and height of the object. If the height of the image is h dash, height of the object is h dash by h is magnification. For magnification there is a formula m equal to minus v by u. The derivation we not learn. M equal to minus v by u. V is image distance, u is the object distance. Now another formula you have to learn, what you call as mirror formula. True for all the mirrors. The mirror formula is 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by m. Need not study the derivation. 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by m. For the lenses the formula is different. For mirror only 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by m. Then you can combine these two formula and write magnification is h dash by h dash is height of image, h is height of object, and equal to minus v by u. This formula combining you can write. Now here, for doing questions, problems, we have to apply all the sign conventions. This sign convention, Cartesian sign system has to be applied. Now how will you do? An example, I have written here the example I will explain. Suppose the question is like this. You can take down the question. The question is like this. An object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter. Object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror whose radius of curvature is 40 centimeter. An object of size 2 centimeter, size of the object is 2 centimeter, is kept in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 40 centimeter at a distance of 30 centimeter. Object is kept at 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image and its nature. This is my question. Hope the question is clear. An object of size 2 centimeter, height 2 centimeter, is kept in front of a concave mirror at a distance 30 centimeter. The radius of curvature of the mirror is 40 centimeter. Find the position of the image and its nature is the question. How will you do? Take the formula 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by m. Write the data. U is minus 30. Why minus? It is kept to the left of the object. Minus 30. With the signs you have to write. What is radius of curvature? 40. Focal length 20. Half. Focal length is 20 but minus 20. Concave mirror, focus is to the left, so focal length is minus 20. Now, V you have to find out. What is V? You have to find out. Okay? 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F is the formula applied. 1 by V plus 1 by minus 30, U is minus 30, equal to 1 by minus 20. Take this term to the right side. 1 by V equal to, need not apply sign for V. We don't know when is the image. 1 by V is equal to, this become plus. Minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Take 60 as LCM. You get minus 3 plus 2. It will be minus 1 by 60. So what is V? Minus 60. What is implication? The image is formed at 60 centimeter from the mirror. 60 centimeter from the mirror, but it is negative means to the left of the mirror. It's a real image. Left of the mirror means it's a real image. So image is formed at 60 centimeter from the mirror. To the left of the mirror, minus sign. Left of the mirror, with the sign you will get the answer. Now, what is the height of the image? For that, use magnification is height of the image by height of the object minus v by u. What is height of the image? Height of the image you have to find out. By height of the object is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Minus v is minus 60. V is minus 60, just call. By This minus sign already there. V is minus 60 by U is minus 30. This become plus. H dash by 2 equal to 60 by minus 30. So what is H dash? 2 into 60 by minus 30. Then you get the answer as minus 4 centimeter. Minus 4 centimeter means it is an inverted image but magnified. 4 centimeter in size. Object is 2 centimeter in size. Image is 4 centimeter in size. Object is 2 centimeter in size. So image is magnified image. And the image is inverted. How negative sign means it is directed downward. Negative sign for image means it is directed downward. So it's an inverted image with a size 4 centimeters. Everything clear? The image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeters from the mirror to the left of the mirror, and it's an inverted image with a size of 4 centimeters. Object is 2 centimeters. Image is 4 centimeters in size. What is the magnification? 4 by 2. It is 2 twice magnified image. Image is magnification is 2. Always magnification negative means the image is magnification negative means the image is real and inverted. Magnification positive means the image is virtual and erect. When you are getting an erect image behind the mirror, always the magnification will be positive. Magnification positive means image is virtual and erect. Magnification negative means image is real and inverted. So you can make question of your own. There are so many questions in the exercise at the back of the textbook. You can try all the questions. So this will be the type of question. Object is kept such and such a distance from the mirror. Mirror, the focal length may be given, or the radius of curvature may be given. Now same question we can do for a convex mirror also, but for convex mirror, the proper sign has to be applied. For convex mirrors, the focus is behind the mirror, focal length is positive, not negative. Okay? But always object is kept in front of the mirror. So object distance always will be negative only. And you have to find the V. If you are getting V as negative, image is inverted, and real image, if you are getting V as positive, means it is behind the mirror. Behind the mirror always you get virtual image only. Like this you have to solve questions. There are so many questions in the exercise. You can try, and more questions I will give you in the next class. And also study this today's class, and we finish the mirrors. Okay, study all these topics taken today, and you can clarify any doubt by telephone or through WhatsApp. You can clarify your doubts and try to do more questions, problems of the textbook using the formula for mirrors. 1 by V plus 1 by U equal 1 by R. Magnification is height of image by height of object. Height of image is taken as H dash. H dash by H is minus V by U. In this formula you have to apply the values and do the solve it accordingly.